Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can reset this phone if you forgot your pattern, like so. If you forgot this pattern or your password for your smartphone and don't remember what it is. You see, it says you made 5 unsuccessful attempts to unlock this. Try again in 30 seconds, right there. You can't, and even if you can use backup pin, but what if you forgot your backup pin right there? Even if you forgot your backup pin, you won't be able to access your smartphone right here. Like right here, you see the timer? It's going to be added in 5 minutes. In a couple seconds. Then you can do backup pin. But what if you forgot your backup pin too? It says you made 10 unsuccessful attempts to unlock in 30 seconds right there. But what if you don't remember that pin was your your password pin or any pin you have to unlock your phone? What you want to do is you want to power off your smartphone right here. Completely power it off. Power it off right there. Just wait for it to power off right there. Just wait a couple seconds. Now that your phone is turned off, what you want to do is you want to press the power home button and the volume up. Don't press the volume down button because that will not work. Press the volume up button right here. And the menu should be coming up. Just wait for the menus to come up and then you should be ready with this option right here. It says reboot system, apply update, white data and factory reset. Click that, but to move you can use the volume up and down button, and then to press OK you can use the power button right there. Click wipe data factory reset. Click that by pressing the power button. And then you want to scroll down all the way to where it says delete all user data right there, and then it should be wiping. Sometimes your phone will be resetting automatically, but you can press reboot now for this to work right there. Then you want to just wait for this menu to be done. This will work if you forgot your password or you just want to reset it so you can be done with your phone and not have data on this phone anymore. This will erase data on your smartphone. I'll have a video up on the iCard that tells you how to reset your phone from settings. To factory reset your phone from the settings options. Or the video will be in the description. Just look there for the video or the iCard. Now just wait for this menu to be done. Now what you want to do, it says battery is low. I'll do this really fast. I don't know if you can see it. You want to click start right there, next right there, and then you can click yes, and then I understand, next, and then you can go to the setup process. If you need to go up to the setup process to set up your phone again, just head to the setup process right there. So got Google. I'm gonna click no, not now, next, put random name right there, next, random last name there, next, and then what you can do right there is just click next, just skip finish right there, and then your phone should be reset right there. you will not have any data on your phone right here, because you see no more photos got added to your smartphone right there. That means your phone got reset right there. So please like and subscribe for more videos like these ones. If this video was informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like these ones. Please like and subscribe.